Cryptocurrency is pretty awesome, but if you're not careful, it can disappear. I posted my video on Dogecoin around this time yesterday, and what did I say? I said if you want to go in, then go out in an hour. You may have an opportunity right here looking at the data. I'm Matt Wallace, this is Final Stand, and welcome to today's daily Dogecoin update. As we can see here in the last 24 hours, it has started to do a bit of a correction. As it's gone down, we've seen a lot of people trying to get in on the short selling action, and a lot of those people are perhaps making a mistake, because I do foresee, based on the charts we're starting to see here, and it's already starting to come up some, we will likely see a bit of a jump, and it should come up to around this area here before going back down some again. Over the coming weeks, it's going to be hard to predict, but I'm going to try to look at all of the models and see exactly what's most likely. I've been saying for a while now, we had about a 60% chance of it going down and a 40% chance of it going up in the coming week, and we're starting to see that 60% chance unfortunately play out. That's not reason to panic though, but make sure you're subscribed with the notifications on so you can stay updated in real time with what's happening with Dogecoin. Will it go up? Will it go down? I'm going to be monitoring the situation. I'm going to be looking for tweets, and that way I can keep you updated in real time and allow you to make the most money possible and have an advantage over everyone else in the market. A lot of this depends on what we see with the Bitcoin price. As Bitcoin has gone down some, that's one of the reasons that we've started to see this correction for Dogecoin. Bitcoin is now down to 32,000 from being at its high this week of over 40,000, which is an $8,000 drop. If you bought Bitcoin recently and you bought an entire Bitcoin, you'd have lost $8,000 to this point in this week. Overall, though, this is just a healthy part of the market. It's normal for a correction like this to happen. As we can see here, the average transaction fee has gone down in the last 24 hours to 0.022541. The transaction count in the last 24 hours is 29,614. 24-hour low is 0.007519. Bitcoin itself has such a large market cap of 736 billion currently that there's not really much that can be done to make it go up or down with a tweet. But Dogecoin, on the other hand, with a market cap of just around $1 billion currently, can actually see some pretty big changes based on social media. Overall, we have seen about a 27% drop in people talking about Dogecoin on social media in the last 24-hour period compared to the 24-hour period before that, which is an indication that it may continue to correct down some and continue to drop off a little bit. But as we see that, we're also going to see, like you see here, this guy who says now it's time to go all in on Dogecoin. There are going to be people who are saying, okay, here's my opportunity, now's the time to get in. That could even lead to potentially some new highs for this week. That's what I'm hoping to see. We will see if that unfolds.